Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for taking some time and stopping by today. Super excited because I am back with a Cupshe sponsored video and we're going to be talking about all things fall. If you're new, I'm Laura. I sure hope you stick around for that long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. So you probably know Cupshe as an amazing swimsuit brand, which it is. You may know about them for their amazing cover-ups, which they have. You may know them for their amazing dresses, which they also have. But did you know they do have all season wear and basically all the things that you could need to fill up your wardrobe at a price point you're going to love. So please do stick around. I'm going to start with a few fall transition pieces and then we're going to get into some full-on fall today. Huge thank you to Cupshe for letting me bring these pieces to you. I'm so excited to share, and of course stay to the end because I do have a discount code for you on top of their already amazing prices. If you're headed out on vacation, you're going to want to check out their site to get those last minute summer plans in, right? My code will of course work on anything on the site at all, but as I mentioned, their swimsuits are amazing. I'm heading on vacation and I'm actually going to do a quick check myself. I have some beautiful bathing suits from them already, so I think I'm set, but it's always worth doing a check. But when it comes to fall fashion, they have a plethora of styles for all body types and you're going to love them. So it's not just beach to brunch, but all year round. We're going to start with this adorable skirt that I have on right now. I paired it with the top I got in a prior haul that I shared with you. This one is super fun. You can wear it in or out. I stuck a nude bralette on underneath here just so it wasn't distracting, but you could do blue or some other fun print as well to wear with this, or fun color. So anyway, this I shared with the prior haul. This one is brand new, so new that it's not even on their site yet. This is a really gorgeous little tiered skirt. It does have a Paisley-ish pattern to it, which if you all know and you follow my channel, Paisley's not my favorite. I love this one though. It's so cute, perfect with a jean jacket as the temps get cooler and you're heading out to those farmers markets. This would be gorgeous. A really nice length. I'm wearing a small, has this smocked top, so around the waistband, so you can tuck in or leave your top out, but again, pair this with a cute little denim shirt, denim jacket. It's going to just be perfection for fall. You can even wear it with boots. Until then, wear your sandals, wear it now, and then transition into a fall shoe. So pretty, very silky, a lighter weight, uber comfy, something you can easily pack and take on a trip as well. It actually looks cute with this little top out also. Just thought I'd quickly share. Yeah, so a lot of ways to wear this cute little skirt. It's so new, it's not on their site yet, but I will put the information down below so you can check it out. Another one so new, not on their site yet, but don't worry, I will put the prices down below. I've never seen any of their items be over $35, so everything is going to be super affordable, and as I said, I do have a coupon code for you. But this cute little flirty tiered skirt is adorable. If you're worried about the length, throw a cute little boy short on it, underneath it, and turn it into kind of like a skirt look, right? This is so cute with the little tiers. Put on your boots and you are set to go. Pair it with a cute little sweater like this one, or you could wear it with, again, a denim shirt. So cute. You don't love how this is so flirty, right? Dress it up for date night with a cute little heel and you're set. You could also put like a longer cardigan with this if you wanted. So cute. Love again with the smocked top of the waistband, and I'm wearing a small. Everything here I'm wearing a small except for one item. They didn't have the small, so they sent me a medium, and I'll let you know which one that is. Because again, these all are so new that they don't have everything in stock just yet, but hopefully by the time you see this, everything's going to be ready. How fun is this one, right? Love it. This is going to be perfect for the early fall, late summer get-togethers. Again, pairs perfectly with a jean jacket. Throw on your favorite cardigan, a jean shirt, denim shirt. So cute with the strapless top, tie, waist, pockets, knit fabric. So everything is soft and stretchy. Nothing is conforming. It just is such a great elevated one and done outfit. Grab it before it's gone. The length is perfect on me. I am 5'5" for reference with a 28-inch inseam. It doesn't feel like it is squeezing me. It feels so nice on. I can't wait to wear this one. I love the fun animal print at the bottom. Just gives it a little bit more spice. Yeah, this one is going to be an attention grabber for sure. So much movement, stretch, and room. I'm wearing a small, and I can't express how comfy this one is. It'll be perfect for traveling as well if you need to just throw something into your suitcase. It's not going to wrinkle, but it's going to add some pizzazz to any look. Here you go. This also is so new, not on their site yet, but all the information will be down below. Now let's get into some hardcore fall. Nothing screams fall more than a plaid, right? So we're going to start off there. This dress is so comfy, cozy, and adorable. Button front here down to, you know, the hip area, I guess you could say. Has the fun little ruffled bottom. It does have a little bit of a waist, I would say a higher waist here with the stitching. This plaid is so fun with the blue and the tan. This would be adorable with knee-high boots. It's too warm out here for me to do that today, but it would be so nice with knee-high boots. Do you not love this? Lots of movement. So comfy. It's in a flannel, but lightweight, not heavy. No pockets. Has this nice little wider open V-neck, right? I really like this with the little side collar here. I think it looks so nice framing the face. So cute, right? All right, this one is called the Classic Moves Plaid Mini Dress. Come in sizes extra small to extra, extra large. It is $33. I'm wearing a small. And it says that it is polished, preppy vibe with a playful detail. The notched neckline, long sleeves, and ruffled hem create a flirty, flattering silhouette, while the length keeps it fun and youthful. And this length is perfect on me. I'm 5'5" for reference. It's hitting me, so perfect length. All right, this one brings all the fall vibes as well with this adorable faux suede skirted bottom. This is one piece. It is a dress, so it's all attached with this fun little belt. If you're worried about length again, I would put a black boy short on underneath here. So cute though. I love the flow. Right, so pretty. And then it has the black mock neck, long sleeve top, and this is super stretchy and comfy. You see it's giving me a little bit of gap here at my neck, so I think I might actually be able to wear this. It's not like touching, it's loose. So far it feels okay. I love the style of this one, so I had to share it with you, and I threw my neck issues right out the window so I could bring it to you. All these are my picks, so I'm gonna like them. I certainly hope you do as well, but don't forget, so much more on the Cupshe site. Definitely worth a check. This one is called the Black Long Sleeve Top Khaki Skirt Mini Dress. It also comes in a green bottom. They have it paired in picture with black high boots. That's what I was thinking as well. I think that would be so adorable. $33 comes in sizes small to extra large. And it says the contrast between the fitted black top and the soft khaki skirt creates a fresh and stylish look that's perfect for day or night. All right, this one is so pretty. This is like the perfect floral for fall. So nice. It has this great little V-neck, modesty snap, elastic here at the sleeve. I kind of tucked it over to make it a little bit of a bubble sleeve, but you could pull it down if you wanted it down lower or up higher. You could move those around. I'm enjoying it a little bit higher. I love this. Has a little bit of a poof at the sleeve here, shoulder. Has a built-in little belt at the waist, so a little elastic waist. Again, a nice little flirty style here. And the color is so pretty. This is a navy background with the tan and the green and the lilac. Really pops off of this dress. Pair this with a cute little suede boot or bootie as the weather starts to cool down, and a cute little cardigan, and you'd be set. So pretty. This one is called the Alison Ditsy Floral Peasant Sleeve Mini Dress. Comes in extra small to extra large, $31. I do have on a small. And it says, channel some fiercely feminine vibes with this mini dress, featuring a Ditsy floral print, surplus neckline, elasticized waistband, long peasant sleeves, and an A-line silhouette. Complete the look with faux leather booties and a fedora hat. How fun would that be? We're down to the final few pieces. How adorable is this sweater set? So comfy, perfect for travel. I have on a small bottom, and this is one where I said they didn't have the small in yet for the top, so this is a medium. It is a little big on me. I would need to get creative here and maybe just add a pin or something. But I'm enjoying this extra little cutout look here. Very, very soft. Has the banded bottom, the little 3 buttons here. You could also do a cute little tuck. Yeah, so that's super cute and works as well. You can't see the fun little button detailing, but it gives it that cute little wrap look to it. You can see the little cutouts. So very soft. I think that's so super cute. The pants, fun little tan sweater material. They're going to go with everything. Lots of room in them. They're loose and flowy. This is such a fun set. Great for those crisp mornings, right? And my final piece is this fun cardigan. This is oversized cardigan that you could pair over top of a cute little black dress or a fun black top and denim. This one is oversized, so keep that in mind. This is a small. You may want to go to an extra small. I would have had I known it was this oversized. But again, it's going to go over top of everything. It's going to be soft and comfy. You can easily just push the sleeves up. And it's a cute little topper. Has like the tan, the white, the black. Great travel outfit as well. That's all my pieces. So a huge thank you again to Cupshe for allowing me to share these with you. So much fun. This is the striped open front long sleeve duster cardigan. Comes in small to extra large, so no extra small in this one, so this is the smallest size. Small to extra large. It is meant to be oversized. It's oversized on the model as well. It says it's the striped open front long sleeve duster cardigan adds a pop of pattern and flow to your outfit. It's the perfect way to stay cozy and stylish while effortlessly turning heads. For this in the know khaki sweater top, it comes in 3 colors, gray, brown, and this tan comes in sizes small to extra large, $35. The in the know khaki sweater is modern, stylish, and effortlessly chic. Has a round neckline, long sleeves, and overlap detail make it perfect for layering or wearing on its own for a cool contemporary look. And then for the pants, they're called the Hush Tones khaki pants. Comes in the same 3 colors as the sweater, $33. I'm wearing a small, and it says relax in style with the Hush Tones khaki pants. Their loose leg and soft knit makes them perfect for cozy days at home or effortless weekend looks. And I promised you a discount code. So I do have a discount code for you. If you spend $70, you can get 15% off using the code YTHappy15. YTHappy15, and I'll put it down below for 15% off anything on their site. $70 or more. So get that extra 15% off. Stock up for fall. And don't forget to grab those end of summer favorites, or if you have any bathing suits you need for the summer, it's definitely worth a check. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. This was so much fun. Can't wait to hear what your favorites were. All the information for these pieces will be down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and swipe to hype. That's what keeps this channel going, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.